Want to create amazing AI images instantly without any design skills? Imagine turning your ideas into visuals with just a few taps and a text prompt. Today, I'll show you how to generate and edit stunning AI images using ChatGPT step by step. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we reveal the smartest AI tools and tech tricks to make your digital life effortless. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT. Open your browser or app and navigate to ChatGPT. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all AI features. ChatGPT is your gateway to generating AI images and exploring creative tools. Once you're in, you're ready to start creating your first AI image. Step 2. Click on the plus icon. Look at the bottom or side of your chat interface and tap the plus icon. This icon opens the menu for AI features available inside ChatGPT. From here, you can choose to create text content, images, or other AI-powered outputs. Tapping the plus icon is the first step toward generating your AI visuals. Step 3. Click on Create Image. After opening the menu, select Create Image. This activates ChatGPT's AI image generator. Here, you can start turning text prompts or uploaded photos into high-quality visuals. This tool works for both new images and editing existing ones. Step 4. Upload and edit an existing image. If you want to edit an image, click the plus icon again. Select Upload and choose the image you want to modify. Then, type your desired prompt describing the changes you want to make. The AI will apply your instructions and generate a customized version of your image. If you're enjoying these AI tutorials, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. I post weekly tutorials on AI tools, creative apps, and smart tech tricks to help you stay ahead digitally. Step 5. Generate an image using only a prompt. If you just want to generate an image from scratch, click the plus icon and select Create Image. Type a detailed prompt describing your scene, subject, style, and mood. Press Enter and ChatGPT will create an original AI image for you. Within seconds, your unique image appears, ready for use. Step 6. Download, edit, or share your image. Tap on the generated image to open full screen mode. From here, you can download the image directly to your device. You can also edit further using ChatGPT's tools or share it via messages, email, or social media. This makes it easy to use your AI creations anywhere, from social posts to YouTube thumbnails. And that's how you create and edit AI images using ChatGPT like a pro. Whether you're designing for social media, YouTube, or personal projects, ChatGPT makes AI creativity fast, easy, and professional. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more expert AI tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Tired of scrolling through endless conversations to find one important chat? Today I'll show you how to pin chats in ChatGPT and keep your important conversations at the top. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where you learn simple AI tricks and powerful tech tips in minutes. Steps. Step 1. Update the app. First, make sure your ChatGPT app is updated to the latest version. New features like chat pinning only appear after installing the newest update. Step 2. Open the menu Open ChatGPT and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. This will open the sidebar where all your previous chats appear. Step 3. Find the chat, scroll through your chat history to locate the conversation you want to pin. Press and hold the chat name until a small options menu appears. Step 4. Pin the chat. From the pop-up menu, tap the pin option. Your selected chat will instantly move to the top of the chat list. If this tip helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more quick AI tutorials and smart tech tricks. Step 5. Pin up to 3 chats. You can keep up to 3 chats pinned at the same time. This helps you quickly access your most important conversations. Step 6. Rename pinned chats. If you want, you can also rename your pinned chats. This makes it easier to identify different conversations or projects. And that's how you can pin chats in ChatGPT for faster access. It's a small feature, but it makes organizing your AI conversations much easier and more productive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Preyo Phonie Tech tutorial. Did you know you can now chat with AI together with your friends in one conversation? Today I'll show you how to start a group chat in ChatGPT and collaborate with others instantly. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where you learn powerful AI tools and smart tech tips in minutes. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. First, open the ChatGPT app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account before creating a group chat. Step 2. Start a group chat. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner to open the sidebar. Then select the Start Group Chat option. Step 3. Invite friends. Tap Invite with link to generate a group invitation. You can share the link with friends using messages, email, or social media. If this tip helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more quick AI tutorials and smart tech tricks. Step 4. Friends join the group. Once your friends receive the invite link, they can tap it to join. A group chat can include up to 20 participants in total. Step 5. Collaborate with AI together. After joining, everyone in the group can chat with the AI together. This is perfect for planning trips, brainstorming ideas, or working on projects. Step 6. Privacy and control. Your private chats with ChatGPT will not appear in group conversations. You can also leave the group chat anytime if you no longer want to participate. And that's how you can create a group chat in ChatGPT. This feature makes it easy to collaborate with friends, teammates, or classmates while getting help from AI at the same time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Preyo Phonie tutorial. Worried that your old AI conversations are piling up in your chat list? Today, I'll show you how to delete chat history in ChatGPT and keep your conversations clean and private. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart AI tricks and powerful tech tips in minutes. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. First, open the ChatGPT app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where your chats are saved. Step 2. Open the menu. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the sidebar showing all your previous chats. Step 3. Find the chat scroll down to the bottom where your past conversations are listed. Press and hold the chat you want to remove. Step 4. Tap Delete. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. Select the Delete option to remove that conversation. If this quick tip helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart AI tutorials and hidden tech tricks. Step 5. Confirm the deletion tap. Delete again to confirm the action. The selected chat will immediately disappear from your chat list. Step 6. Repeat if needed. Repeat the same process for any other chats you want to remove. Within seconds, you can completely clean up your chat history. And that's how you can clear your chat history in ChatGPT. Cleaning old chats keeps your conversation list organized and protects your privacy at the same time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Preyo Phonie tutorial.